So here is Swagbucks app surveys for money. So just tap get to install it. Share opinions, get paid cash. So get cash and free gift rewards, cards, play games, take surveys, scan receipts, shop online, discover offers. So there is a free to claim $10 welcome bonus. So as you can see, that's what you have here. Swapbucks is a money-making app for you with over 10,000 free gift cards redeemed by our members every day. Redeem your Swagbucks rewards for PayPal Cash or free gift cards at Amazon, Apple, Target, MasterCard, Walmart, Starbucks, money-making deals. So yep, like just go in and then you can just create an account fast. All right, so unfortunately, it's only supported in US, but I mean that's like at least what you can try it out, and I just brought your attention to this, so try it out.